Undercover Waters, ahora sí voy a pelear Walters. The human being is being very... A human being got to be real with himself. Human being, look at that, look at this. The human being got to be real. We are bad. People, human nature, his nature is to be bad, is to kill. The nature, it says us to kill each other. That's the truth. The other thing is the evolution, the humanization. See, humanization of the nation. That's that we are. We are developing that. But the naturalist, the bat, I see like 100 years before this today. If I was in the Inca time, I was looking, I saw an animal there, ba ba ba, with my, there's no bang bang bang, and thank you, man. There is the arrow there. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, these Peruvian landscapes. They're beautiful.